It's a runway lifestyle. It's a runway lifestyle. It's a runway lifestyle. It's a runway lifestyle. Chateau de Carmille. Chateau, Chateau de Carmille. Chateau, Chateau de Carmille. Chateau, Chateau de Carmille.
Okay, so guys, what I am doing today is I am going to be making some pants to go with the blue and white tie ink effect that I have done on the men's shirt, and I'm going to do the same, possibly the same for these pants. I may think of just burning the bottom with the ink, India ink, but I am just wanting to show you the pattern that I'm using. Of course, I can make a pattern, but I don't want to because I don't have to, because it takes up too much time and I'm in a hurry. So I'm using a regular commercial pattern. This is Simplicity. It's an old pattern and I've had it for such a long time because it's just a basic pattern that I can build whatever I want off of. I can go according to the pattern or I can do my own thing, which that's what I'm doing. I'm using just the basic pattern to do whatever I want to do with it. So this is it, the Simplicity pattern, and it is 4760. Whether it's still in circulation, I don't know. Of course, you can find these at Walmart or Joann's. I don't yet know if Hobby Lobby is carrying patterns, possibly Michael's, but this is the pattern, and I'm going to use this basic look, but I'm not going to do the entire thing that this pattern is calling for. I just need the basic pattern. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. It's very easy to do. You don't have to make your pattern all the time. You can just use a basic one and get it done. Remember, like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you can see when I have new video up, and you can follow along and you can massage the algorithm there so that I can get more people to tune in to me and I can get out more content that you can look at. So, ding. Bye.
It's a